Hamburger make easy to use and easy to clean. This burger maker will become one of your favorite kitchen gadgets and is perfect for BBQs. This burger press machine can be used to tenderize your burger meat, make stuffed burgers, chicken burgers, veggie or bean burgers as well as fish cakes. Shop with confidence.Burger press is covered by a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. There are hundreds positive feedback of customer, so why not you? To get more detail, check the link below. Thanks for watching. To get new one, subscribe our channel.